Okay guys, welcome back to another video for this string, and on this video we're going to talk about how to get more views for your video. Okay, or bakit yung mga ibang videos hindi nagkakaroon ng views, or bakit yung mga videos maraming views. Okay, we're going to talk about two things. Number one is videos are getting views because it has unique value. So, di ba sabi natin lagi, if you want to create a content, you have to create a content that has value on it. Yung nakakatulong, yung authentic, di ba? Nakakatulong. One example of that is, yeah, my YouTube channel is, my YouTube channel talks about working from home, right? So one videos that so performing for me is this video about the 10-day VA training. So
Trabaho.
why this video has like 440,000 views? It's because it's it's not an ordinary video na pinag-uusapan lang as a virtual assistant. Technically, it's a virtual assistant training that helps a lot of videos already, 'di ba? So, ayan, kung makikita nyo, yung mga video na to is so valuable that people, yung makakapanood nito, ay meron na silang natutunan. Ano ba yung natutunan? Meron silang natutunan na nagkaroon sila ng trabaho. Like for example, this one. Nagkaroon siya na she got hired because of this video. So technically, we're talking about a video that has a value. Meron siyang value. Bakit siya pinapanood ng maraming tao? Kasi nga, yung yung video na yon nakakapagbigay ng resulta sa ibang tao, and hindi lang resulta about having a job. Kumbaga meron siyang value, merong napapala yung yung tao kapag pinapanood siya, 'di ba? And also, for example, Ali Abdal is a vlogger na pinag-usapan natin sa mga nakarang video. Pero yun nga, yung mga videos niya is very helpful, makes you productive, makes you feel good, makes you feel good about yourself, yung time management, and learn more about how you're going to manage your money or whatever dun sa mga videos niya. So technically, it has some form of value. Okay, and also Alex Harmozy, yung mga business videos niya, yung mga tips niya on how to grow an audience, on how to make more sales, on how to build your platform, whatever. It has views, it has a lot of views because it's giving a lot of value. So, ganun, ano, kagaya ng mga videos natin, no? May mga videos tayong ginawa sa channel na valuable din. That's the reason why you're watching this and you bought my course. Alright? Because what because it has value. I given you value so much that we build that relationship in order for you to get into this course or buy this course. The second thing that we talk about why a video has views because it has a unique personality. Okay? The best way for us to explain it is, yeah, just showing up. Okay, this vlogger is a gamer vlogger that I always watch. Okay, her name is Sophie, and she's a gamer vlogger. Mahilig siyang mag-vlog about gaming, cosplay, no, about Dota. Kasi ako, I'm a gamer, but I'm a gamer also. At marami akong followers, ay marami akong gaming channel na pinapanood. Pero ito talaga yung nag-resonate sa akin. And even though she doesn't have much subscribers, like 11,400, pinapanood ko siya palagi kasi she has like she has that unique personality with her. Yung mga videos na kinikreate niya, yung mga kinikreate niyang videos, it always tell a story. It always tell her unique personality. And that's we're talking about the unique personality ng tao na yun. No? So the best way for you to showcase yung unique personality mo is by telling stories. Alright? Telling stories helps you to show your unique personality. Kasi when you're telling stories, when you're telling something, your unique experience, your unique learnings about life, you're basically telling your unique personality. Nag-show up yung unique personality mo doon sa ginagawa mong videos, okay? Kahit na hindi ka expert sa mga bagay-bagay, pero you've tried doing something that is unique of you. Like for example, if you are a virtual assistant, okay, beginner virtual assistant, you still don't have clients, like you tried something, you did something, for example, yung video mo, like I applied on 10 jobs and here's what's happened. Tapos nakalagay dun sa thumbnail mo rejected. even though you're not an expert on something, you can tell that story and showcase that into your YouTube vlog, no? You don't really need to fake it na kunyari meron ka lang client, baguhan kang BA, tapos sa mga videos mo may client ka na. Hindi maganda yon. Mas maganda yung authentic and unique personality. May mas manonood sa'yo kasi may mas makaka-relate sa story mo. So that is what you have to do in order for you to have more views for your videos, is to showcase your unique personality. So either way, like kung yung video mo, even though you don't have a unique personality, even though you're not telling a story, but you're sharing your value on how to do something, magkakaroon pa rin yan ng views. Pero nga, the more you combine these two into your video, you have value to share, and then you're sharing your stories and your unique personal angle into your video, that is the reason you're going to get a lot of views. And it's the same with my videos. Like in my videos, like for example, in this training, I always tell my people my unique story about how I become a virtual assistant, right? Lagi kong tinatal yung story ko na I'm a mechanical engineer, I quit my job. I always tell that story because that is unique of me. That is my experience, and people could relate to you more if you're telling that. Even though yung mga success mo, yung mga past failures mo, you can tell that because it's interesting for people to know ano ba yung mga dapat hindi nila gawin para hindi sila mag-fail, or ano ba yung mga ginagawa ko na nag-fail ako para makita nila na dapat hindi nila yung gagawin para hindi sila mag-fail, no? So, yun yung unique sa akin. For example, I have a video. Ma-hire kaya ako, ito yung ginawa ko. Ito yung video ko, no? Yung ginawa ko yung isang video. Ma-hire kaya ako, ito yung ginawa ko. So, this video talks about me sending a cover letter to a people who reach out to me in LinkedIn. So, ang ginawa ko, gumawa ko ng video, ng cover letter. So, tinal ko yon as my story, no? As my angle on telling this video. So, makikita mo doon, even though it doesn't have a lot of views, 985 views lang. Pero yun nga, it can resonate to your audience. Pero 985 views pa rin yan. Ang dami pa rin nun. Bro mo, 985,000 na nanood sa'yo, di ba? Ang dami pa rin nun. So, kung mapapanood yan ng tao, makakapag-resonate yun sa kanya at matatandaan ka nila dahil doon. Kasi nga, you have your unique story to tell, di ba? So, when you're telling a unique story, nung nag-send ako ng cover letter, parang doon the video, nag-send ako ng cover letter, ito yung nangyari. Pagkatapos ko nag-send, yung client nag-reach out sa akin for a discovery call, ito yung nangyari, na-hire ako. That's a unique story to tell, right? In one of your videos. Kumbaga, you're documenting your story. And that's the reason why that video will have views, alright? Will have views because you have your personal angle. So, if you're bigger than a virtual assistant, bigger than a freelancer, and one of these days, kung pag nag-a-apply ka, you're reaching out to people, and that results to getting engagement, nakipag-usap ka, interview call, you can tell that story the same, no? You can record the video, you can record your discovery call with a client, yung nangyari, na-hire ako kasi ganito yung ginawa ko. That's unique of you, that you can create a video that's your personal story. So, how you can increase your value? Ang tanong, paano ba natin i-increase yung value, no? As doon sa mga videos natin. Syempre sa umpisa, pag gumagawa ka ng YouTube channel, you're starting from zero, alright? You don't have yet consistency. So, you're increasing value when you're showing consistency. Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? For example, I have a YouTube channel. I already have 425 videos, right? But if you're going to look at it, if this channel is new and it just like have 10 videos or 20 videos, it doesn't have that consistency factor yet, right? Because syempre, kung meron lang akong 10 videos, 25 videos, makikita ng tao na hindi siya masyadong consistent pa sa ginagawa niya. So, the value of what he's telling, hindi pa ganun kataas versus yung meron na akong 425 videos, di ba? Kunyari, it's a show of numbers. Kung ang tao na to, kunyari si Chad Godoy, I mean, if I'm not that person, and I'm going to tell that person na, hey, Chad, you have 400, makikita ko 400 yung videos niya telling and teaching people how to be a virtual assistant, how to grow a YouTube channel, or how to, basta gumawa ng mga bagay na makabuluhan about the virtual assistant space. Sasabihin ko itong tao na to, consistent siya sa ginagawa ko. And that's why his videos is worth it of watching it's worth of watching kasi nga 425 videos tapos may mga nabago pa siyang mga buhay. He has like testimonials of people watching his channel. Like there's time, meron ginugol niya yung sobrang maraming time, no? Nagugol ako ng maraming time creating 400 plus videos at nag-effort talaga ako sa mga videos ko. Like I edited my videos, I shoot my videos, I really take time. That gives your video a unique value perspective, no? Kaya siya papanoorin ng tao. And also, one of the reason why your video will going to be much powerful is because you have like unique unique personality pala to. Hindi to unique consistency. Unique personality. Paano ba natin mai-improve pa yung unique personality? Is because we have this what you call time, effort, and consistency then. So, if you are consistent sa mga stories mo, 'di ba? Consistent ka sa mga stories mo, consistent ka na nag-e-effort, consistent ka na nagbibigay ng time creating a much better video telling your stories, showcasing your personality, showcasing your experience, your unique experience about things, people will going to watch your video. Okay? Natawag na unique experience, no? You're sharing your unique experience. Kasi syempre guys, hindi naman tayo lahat pare-parehas, 'di ba? We always going to agree with that na hindi tayo pare-parehas. Even though we have the same video title, each and every one of us has a unique story to tell. So technically we have like unique personality to tell in our videos. So we have a chance also to get views even though hindi pa masyadong ganun kalaki yung channel natin, no? So one factor, there's a lot of views. Okay, let's talk about Boy Tapang. Boy Tapang, I'm not saying kopyahin niyo yung content ni Boy Tapang. Si Boy Tapang, yung mga videos niya, hindi naman masyadong valuable, di ba? Kung mapapansin niyo, yung mga videos niya is more of mukbang, it's more of house blessing plus house tour, 3 million celebration sa mga trabahante sa bahay, 100,000 pamasko ni Boy Tapang. Even though kung mapapansin niyo, it doesn't have unique value, no? It doesn't teach you anything. It doesn't teach you training, no? It doesn't have unique value. But it has unique experience. Kumbaga si Boy Tapang nagagawa niya to even though kunyari wala namang masyadong skills pero kumain siya ng mukbang ng giant crab, 'di ba? Nagmukbang siya ng giant crab. It's what you call unique experience. Okay? Unique experience na ginawa niya and gusto ng mga tao mapanood. Ano ba yung experience ni Boy Tapang eating a giant crab, no? Mukbanging a giant crab. That's the reason it has a lot of views, no? So and also unique experience, you don't need to be Boy Tapang to be likable, to have like views. If you have a different niche, for example, sasabihin na ba hindi naman ako si Boy Tapang, tsaka hindi ako mahilig kumain ng crab. Pero for example, you're building a YouTube, your virtual assistant YouTube journey. Tapos nag-a-apply ka, for example, you have a video, for example lang, no, just giving you ideas. If I applied, kunyari, I applied 100 times. Kumbaga, may mga ganyan tayong video, they applied 100 times. Or I reach out 100 times to business owners. Yan yung title ng video mo, I applied 100 times, or I reach out 100 times to business owners, and here's what happens. Diba? Owners, here's what happens next. 'Di ba? Kung gagawa ka ng ganyang klaseng video, it has unique, kung for example lang, kung ginawa mo talaga, 'di ba? Nag-reach out ka sa 100 people, business owners that you think you can work sa LinkedIn, who wants to build whatever that you're selling. For example, me, I'm a YouTube manager. I reach out to 100 people in LinkedIn who are possible na market ko, who wants to build a YouTube channel. Siyempre, pag nag-reach out ako 100 times, magkakaroon ako ng 100, because I reach out 100 times, there's numbers, magkakaroon ako ng mga replies na pwede kong maging business, di ba? Pwede magkaroon ng business opportunity or engagement or relationship dun sa mga clients. And I can tell that into a story, into a video. And that will gives me like unique value to audience because people wants to know. And because I show and tell my personality, I show and tell my stories, it has like unique personality factor. And when you combine those, sabi natin, when you combine those two, you have more views. Diba? So that's how you're going to do it. So yeah, so even though you're just entertaining people, kasi nga ang value kasi pwede mo yan makuha when you're teaching something, important topic, a course, AI automation, VA training, whatever, you're sharing something that you know, or you are entertaining people, which is by telling your stories, showcasing your experience, doon yun nagkakaroon ng value yung video mo, no? Value video, it's not just about giving you free tutorial, free trainings. Could be your personal experience and your stories as well. You're giving value to your video. So that's how you get more views. So yeah, if you have any questions about this, you can reach out to me. Pero yun nga, that's the two factor why you will have more views in your video, and that's the reason also why you will not have views on your video. So keep that in your mind, like unique value, personal story, and you also have to give like time, effort, and consistency sa mga videos mo, na in order for you to make it strong, your brand stronger, you have like consistency, you are consistently uploading videos, you're taking effort, you're making time to edit your videos. That gives your videos stronger stand and grow as a brand in YouTube. Yun lang po. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Have a nice time po sa inyong lahat.